name's Jess and I'm the founder of Resourceful Living, and we take waste plastic 1 through to 7 and convert it into long-lasting products, from sheets and panels through to kitchens, office furniture, you name it, we're going to give it a go. We decided to apply for the Outstanding Startup Award, which we won in 2022. It was wonderful to meet so many other manufacturers, which I didn't even know existed. Actually, I still get so excited when I just think about that night. It gave us that oomph and that positivity that we needed to go, we're on a winner, let's keep going, blood, sweat and tears, we're there.
I'm Kari Armitage, Managing Director of Quarry Mining. We manufacture drilling and other ancillary equipment specifically for underground mining and tunnelling. We became involved in the Hunter Manufacturing Awards in 2014 when we managed to win the Innovation Technology Award, very proudly. I've never really been one to have serious big business plans in front of me. I like to do a good job of what we're doing now, and I've found over the years that that brings more work. Making sure those relationships are looked after now brings future work. I've brought a consultancy style approach to a widget maker. So now it's a solution provider that manufactures things, which I really think is cool, and it's probably been our competitive advantage. And our technical sales team are all underground coal miners, which has been one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life, to run it that way. And the relationships there are so strong. I call them a leadership team, because without them and without selling what they are passionate about, we really don't have a business.
I'm Gillian Summers with Brain Industries. My partner Tony Lobb and I started Brain Industries with 1 person and 1 factory 10 years ago. Today we employ 35 people with 4 factories. In 2021, Brain Industries won the award for Manufacturer of the Year, less than 50 people. Brain manufactures in steel, polyurethane, aluminium, rubber, ceramic, mainly for mining and oil and gas.
We want to give people at Resourceful Living meaningful work, whatever their background. And I hope that people that get employed at Resourceful Living can get that drive of doing something more and doing something better.
What I love most about it is giving people jobs that they love, and to be able to work together with people that they really like working with, so common goals and achieving things. I love apprentices and cadets, so nurturing the skills of the younger generation through our experienced workforce these days is probably my favourite thing.
So next for Brain is steady as she goes and organic growth. One thing we will be considering and looking at is the importance of AI. With AI, you can develop systems for your own unique needs in-house, a fraction of the cost.
Our long-term plans is we would actually end up with micro factories all over Australia, so that people could order products and they would be made in a distance close to where they were going to end up, rather than it being shipped across this ginormous country.
I think there's a really bright future, and it really puts Newcastle on the map as a centre of excellence for manufacturing.
My message to HMA is congratulations and thank you so much for bringing us all together under one roof to celebrate the amazing things that businesses in the Hunter Valley manufacture from nothing to something.
HMA, I can't believe it's been 20 years. Keep doing what you're doing, you're going from strength to strength.
I'd like to say a big thank you to HMA for creating such a vibrant and exciting space for us manufacturers to operate in.
Cheers to another 20 years as we grow all together as a team.
Happy 20th anniversary Hunter Manufacturing Awards.
Happy anniversary, HMA.